let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us slow foxtrot choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same slow foxtrot choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with first 3 steps of natural turn. Notice ladies heel turn here, then open impetus with man's heel turn, ended in promenade position, running weave, first part in syncopated timing, and we continue with 3 step, very basic figure, and in the corner we dance natural weave. Notice ladies heel turn, and we finish choreography with change of direction. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on directions of movement. So we start diagonally to wall with first 3 steps of natural turn. We continue down line of dance with open impetus, which we finish diagonally to center of new line of dance. We continue with running weave in same direction, which we finish diagonally to wall. Same direction we dance 3 step into corner. There we dance natural weave, down new line of dance and finish diagonally to wall, and at the corner we dance change of direction, which we finish diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.